Oh, yeah. Every child is precious. Every child is your child. From the streets to the corners, God still calls them by name. What the world ignores might be what the future embraces. Open up your heart tonight. Let your love defend the children. There are children on the roadside, silent in their hidden pain. Little hands that shake in hunger, searching for a home again. Vachitvaga rudomuniga, vachitvaga munwanovanzwa. Hunger trying to steal their joy, lonely nights that hide their tears. Usiku wavo wakanyarara, moyo yavo ichichema. But a heart that chooses mercy can wipe away their fears. Let us cover all these children, grace is written over them. Nyashatiri pamusoro pavo, tariri chiri mupenyu. What we plant in every child, heaven will remember. Dengari kanganwivana, mwari anovada. Every child is your child. Mwana wese anokosha. Every child is precious. Love them like your own, show them gentle love. Vade sevana venue. Make up your mind, make a change. Tell yourself, I will care, I will listen. No child living here should be left in sorrow. Hapana mwana no fanira, kusiwa kingo chema. Let us shield the children, show a child some love. There are orphans in our families who have never known love. Vasingazi vi kudiwa. There are children feeling broken, left to face this world alone. Some need food and tender shelter. Vamwe vanoda chikafu nepekugara, vamwe vanoda maoko erudo. Some need arms that hold them close, a safe bed and quiet pillow, warmth that tells them they belong. Rudo runovati munokosha, rudo runovati hamusimega. To give them kindness and compassion is to heal a wounded soul. A child who feels remembered can rise with hope again. Every orphan needs compassion. Every orphan needs a love. Nazinoda tario. Nazinoda rudo. Let us pour out love. Nativa peirudo. Let us stand beside them. Nativa chengetete. They are lights of our tomorrow. Divo tariro yenika. Divo tieza. Chemangwana. Divo tieza. Chemangwana. They are leaders yet to rise. Divo vatunga meriri vemangwana. If we lift them up today, kanatika vasimuzira nasi. Tomorrow nations will shine. Kanatika vara nasi. Mangwana vachapenya. Mangwana nika ichapenya. They are tomorrow's future, future leaders of the world. One act of love today can change a life forever. Every child is your child. Every child is precious. Some need love and comfort. Arms around them, I will serve them, I will live them. Nothing is stronger than a heart that's loving. Let us pour out love. Let us keep on showing care forever and ever. Let us shield the children. Children are the future. God is still the father of the orphans, the one who watches over the forgotten, the one who hears the cry of a child. Let our hearts stay soft and willing, especially for the children in our hands. Families with an orphan near you, wrap them in your love. Do not abandon them. Do not wound their spirits. Think about your own children. If one day you leave this world behind, how would you want them to be treated? Would you rejoice to see your child in suffering? Would you rejoice to see your child rejected? Do unto these children what you would want